Hot.
Yeah,
Hot.
one.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Hot. Hot. When you matter down, split hot so hot. Then I talk about skill.
Back to my YouTube channel. It's Nessa, aka That Girl So Gone, and today we are reviewing some Gucci slides. One of my actual favorite Gucci slides that I got about a year ago almost, and it was actually a birthday gift last year. So before we get into the video, please go ahead and subscribe, comment, like, and share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell at the top so you can get notified when I post another video. And now let's get into the video. Okay guys, so we're back, and I actually don't have the box of the shoes because, as I said before, they are a year old almost, and I threw the box away because I have all my shoes in like these organizer box with a black and clear top. I have to find out the names, but yeah, so I just have them in their little dust bags, and I actually forgot the name of the slides, so I have to look them up on my backup phone. So they are actually the men's GG canvas sandals, and they retail for $4.90. I don't know if you can see that. They retail for $4.90. With tax they were like maybe $5.30, somewhere around that range. I don't have the receipt. As I said, I threw the box away because it's been over a year. Well, no, not over a year, about a year since I've actually bought them. So let's get into the shoe. So they of course come in their little dust bag, and these are what they look like. They're beautiful. I have worn them once, and it was during the week of my birthday because of course they're a birthday gift. So I wore them to brunch. I wore them to brunch on the day of my birthday. I actually got them on the men's side because the women's side was actually sold out, or I didn't know the time that I got them. I don't think that they were on the women's side as yet, or they were sold out. I think they were sold out. Now they actually have them in like pink and blue and green, I believe. You know, now they're coming out with like new colors. I don't like those. I kind of like more of the original. Comfort level, they are a bit snug around these areas, so you do want to make sure that you actually go to the store and try them on. That way you're buying you know, your actual size, and you don't buy them too big or you don't buy them too small and you have to return them. They are a size 6. Ooh, yeah, they're a size, I wore them. Yeah, they're a size 6 in men, and they fit really great. Really great. This area right here is just like, it just holds you, so your feet's not slipping or nothing. It holds you. So this is why I suggest going into the store and trying them on. That way you don't, you know, get them too big or too small and then have to go through the whole return process again, as I said. Yeah, and they're just beautiful. I just love the whole GG monogram pattern. They aren't slides though that I would wear quite a lot because it is like the cloth material, and as you can see, like the more you walk, they, you know, will eventually get dirty, and it's like, how, I don't know how you clean them. So and I've only wore them one time, so I don't really practice to wear them a lot because I know, you know, I don't want here to start to get really dirty from like your feet flapping and, you know, lotion on your feet of course, and your feet sweats or whatever. But for the most part, it's beautiful. Comfort level is amazing. It does have the Gucci logo, and it does say that it's made in Italy. And it also says it at the bottom with the size. Yeah, it says it at the bottom with the size as well. So I would rate these a 10, of course. I mean, come on now. Y'all should know, like, my actual, like, channel already. Everything that I buy, I love. And I don't never, like, have nothing on here that I don't like. So, of course, you know it's going to be a 10. And it's Gucci. Like, where can Gucci go wrong? They never go wrong for me. So yeah, except for this part. I don't know, maybe it should have been like, just like the pattern here, maybe in the front, or just like the here. I don't know, but I love it. Regardless, I love it. I mean, I can just probably YouTube a way to clean it if it gets too dirty or something. I don't know, but yeah, other than that, these, listen, you see this, it's not bending. These things are sturdy, okay, sturdy, very, very, very sturdy. And there's no walking in your sole bottom part. No, structure is there. The structure, the built, A1. It's definitely worth that $530 or $45 or whatever I paid. I don't remember the full on price, but I know it was a little bit over 500. So definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. And they look beautiful. I had it on with like full white. And I actually had it on with like this GG bag as well, which I'm gonna do a video on that, so you'll see what bag I wore it with, and I'll probably tell you like, oh, this is the bag that I wore with, the GG canvas slides. Yeah, it was beautiful. I will see if I can try to find a photo and just like put the photo in of last year when I actually wore them. So yeah, there isn't really much to say. Definitely go ahead and buy them. You're gonna love them. Of course, they go with everything. In this color, it goes with everything. So I suggest buying it. Yeah, I think you should buy it. You're gonna love it. It's a vibe. Yeah, guys, so go ahead and buy the shoes. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. I love them. And that's pretty much it. There's nothing else to say about them. They're beautiful. They speak for themselves. And please, 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 don't forget to subscribe and put on your notification bell so you can get the next update on my next video. Thanks for watching.